Hey food lovers, are you ready to level up your snack game with a healthier homemade option? We're about to air fry our way to crispy, juicy, lemon garlic chicken wings and golden brown sweet potato fries. It's the perfect combo for a movie or game night. And the best part? These recipes are super easy to make, no deep frying and no messy cleanup. So fire up the air fryer and let's get cooking. Seasoning the chicken wings is a breeze. Simply mix together 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a large bowl. Now, let's get garlicky. We'll add 5 cloves of chopped garlic. The more garlic, the merrier. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. For a little smokiness flavor, add 1 tablespoon of sweet smoked paprika. Use a whisk to blend the sauce together. To prevent the wings from burning too quickly, we'll add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. It's time to add 750 grams of chicken wings. Grab a spatula and give those wings a good toss to coat them evenly in the delicious marinade. Now you can marinate the wings for a few hours, but since we are hungry, they will go straight to the air fryer basket. Pop those wings in the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes or until they reach crispy perfection. Keep an eye on them as cooking times vary. To balance the flavor, we'll pair our wings with some golden brown sweet potato fries. Add 1 egg white, which will help create a crispy outer layer. 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then season with salt and black pepper, about half teaspoon each. Use a whisk again to mix the coating thoroughly. Now, grab about 500 grams of sweet potato. Peel the sweet potatoes and cut them into long, thin strips similar to English-style chip fries. Throw them into the coating mixture. Give the sweet potato fries a good toss to ensure they are evenly coated in the egg white mixture. Arrange the sweet potato fries in the air fryer basket, making sure they are not crowded. Air fry the sweet potato fries at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now that's what we call a game-changing snack. These air-fried wings and fries are not only delicious, but also much healthier than the deep-fried options. So enjoy the savory, lemony, garlicky wings paired with the homemade sweet potato fries. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.